Master Plus, a new solution for the security of power supply of your critical infrastructure. In order to ensure security of power supply and avoid injuries, serious business disruption, or data loss, uninterruptible power supply systems, so-called UPS, are used to provide clear electricity to a load when the mains power source fails or the power supply is outside its permitted range, for example due to voltage surges or frequency deviations. For example, two UPS systems, A and B, running in parallel are connected to the medium voltage grid through a transformer. The UPS contains a rectifier that converts the incoming alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC, and also charges the backup battery. The inverter converts the incoming DC from the battery or from the rectifier to alternating current. When the UPS is in normal operation, the electrical current flows through the rectifier and the inverter to the load. During normal operation, power also flows to the batteries in order to keep backup energy available in case of any power disruption. In case the power supply is in danger, the UPS system switches to protection mode, instantaneously supplying the energy stored in the batteries through the inverter to the load. The backup time is long enough to start a standby power source, for example, emergency engine, which gives time to the grid to restore normal operating conditions. Even though conventional UPS systems ensure the operation of the facility until the standby power source takes over the power supply, their batteries have a short backup time and lifetime and lack real-time monitoring. This has a negative impact on battery reliability and could generate unexpected costs. In order to increase battery reliability, RWE and Riello Power Systems have developed an innovative UPS system, the Master Plus. Master Plus is an innovative solution containing a cycle-proof premium battery with a battery management system and a larger storage capacity, which consists of a backup segment and a surplus for commercialization, called Commercial Segment. Furthermore, Master Plus is a highly efficient UPS with a special rectifier which allows the flow of electricity to the grid for commercialization of the surplus storage capacity to the electricity markets. Master Plus allows real-time remote monitoring for predictive maintenance, ensuring higher reliability and longer lifetime of the battery and UPS. All communication links are protected by very high security standards against any hacker attack. In comparison to conventional UPS solutions, Master Plus generates additional revenue streams and lowers capital and operational costs. When the Master Plus is in normal operation, the electrical current can flow bidirectionally from and to the grid. The electrical current flows through the special rectifier and the inverter to the load while charging a commercial segment of the Master Plus battery, used only for commercialization purposes, and also keeping the backup segment at full capacity. Furthermore, electricity stored in the batteries can flow to the grid through the special rectifier also for commercialization purposes. The backup segment of the Master Plus batteries is always ready to be used in case of any power supply problem. It is never employed for any other purpose other than the security of power supply of your critical infrastructure. In case the power supply is in danger or not within the permitted range, Master Plus switches to protection mode, instantaneously supplying the energy stored in the batteries through the inverter into the load. Generally, the UPS Plus battery's backup time is longer than conventional UPS batteries, up to 30 minutes, since the commercial segment of the batteries is usually not empty. This offers higher security in unstable power grid conditions. Furthermore, the highly secure real-time battery monitoring system increases UPS system reliability. The Master Plus is an energy hub in the electrical power system that contributes to stable and reliable grid operation while taking part in and profiting from the electricity markets. This creates additional revenues that allow you to reduce your capital and operating costs while increasing the security of power supply of your critical infrastructure. Master Plus. Reduce costs. Increase reliability.